All right, so here we are cracking open our microphone purchase here, Mini Mic Pro. This is pre-recorded. We are testing out the mic now. It's in my hand. Mini Mic Pro, bestseller on Amazon, 20 bucks. Let's see if this makes it different. So here I am cracking open the box. When I play back my video recordings on my computer, it is loud. However, when I play back on the TV or on my phone, it is very, very not loud. It is kind of quiet. So here I am adjusting my stand here to better show the box opening of the Mini Mic Pros here. Okay, so as you see, you get the two mics, a little instruction booklet. Of course, you get your charging, or I'm sorry, your USB or I don't even know what it's called, but you have the switchers, which I am using right here, as you see. The little cushions, I switched it out just to try it out. It's definitely a little bit. I mean, it looks more like a little mic, as you see. You have the the hooks there, as you see. That's plugged into my computer right now, and I believe that's how it's Bluetooth to my computer. You could also do it to your phone, and then you have a converter right there on the bottom left in the box. But yeah, hopefully this works. Hopefully I'm able to play back this video on my TV and it is loud. I don't have to go to 70 out of 100 to hear it. Hopefully I can keep it at 20, which is what my regular TV plays at. I'm actually not yelling into the mic either, so just bear with me as I see if these are worth it. If not, I can definitely return them. If it turns out to be the same as using it as my laptop, or maybe I have to look at a better mic. Also, I'll have to see where I should position it as far as like my voice not being too loud or cracking. So again, here I'm just checking it out as I unbox it. Again, these were just like $18, 20 if you include taxes. They're definitely light. Kind of cool though. I was sharing with people that I was looking into mics, and I think they assumed they were talking. I was talking about the big mic, but of course I was looking for these uh, microphones here that you can wear on your shirt or just hold here. And I just, as you see, I can kind of hold it off the camera, and hopefully it's loud. Video recording is done off my phone, so again, camera phones are they're so good now that a lot of people record off their phones now. Again, I am just using a stand, like a selfie stick. That's kind of a stand that we've had for a long time, and I'm finally putting it to use. That's that converter I was talking about. Pretty neat first unboxing video here. I figure why not, right? I just ordered it yesterday, and it just, of course, arrived overnight. I do change out, as you see. I don't know what you call those, but I ended up changing it out to the little cushion, as it's kind of more cleaner looking. I do like the look of the other one. These were again top 10, number one bestseller, of course, more than likely because of the price. But hopefully they get the job done as far as you know, making the volume out of my TV set lower. And I believe I read it takes 2 to 3 hours to charge, so I'll definitely have to leave them charged throughout the day. But right out of the box, it did have a little bit of a charge, so that's what I'm using now. And the video is only 5 minutes here, so we are wrapping up. And I will upload this, and hopefully, I only have to adjust my volume to 20 on the TV, and it'll be clear. There I am plugging it in. As you can see, I don't know what I was doing there, but I definitely plugged it in wrong, and that's the end of the video. Hopefully this solves an issue with the volume. Till the next video. Bye bye.